Ano, maurag ka?
Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
So completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education,
will be.
College of Accountancy and Finance,
We will be what we believe.
College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
The future's in our hands.
College of Health Sciences,
The best is yet to come.
College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Could've had it and you ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing. It's high school, he's not rap shit. You're a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, ang laban. Puso at isip, kapatiran. At respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran. At respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran. At respeto laging nating bitbit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school
College of Teacher Education. College of Accountancy and Finance. College of Business and Management. College of Engineering. College of Health Sciences. College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and you ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging bibig.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagong
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and you ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This, that, I got.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay
Good afternoon, basketball enthusiasts. It's our third week dito sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Again, makakasama niyo po ako, Rick Puerta, and beside me is Jasper Abante to give you all the hottest information at ang mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng ating NCF covered court.
And of course, ang maglalaban na teams for the first game of our quadruple action is none other than the ADNU de Naga Golden Knights and the JB Hart. Magandang bakbakan ang naghihintay sa atin, kaya tutok for more actions only here on GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Bali, lahat po ng matutunghayan nating laban ngayong araw ay napakainit, napakaganda. Top tier basketball actions, ika nga nila.
Ayan, talagang very exciting itong unang match natin. Again, ADNU Golden Knights versus the JB Hart. So, JB Hart looking good para sa ating standing dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Wala pa ditong talo itong ating JB Hart. And on the other side of things, Ateneo Golden Knights with their 1 loss and 1 win para dito sa ating liga. So, very crucial for both teams because if you're on the side of this Ateneo Golden Knights, you are aiming for their second win. And on the other side of things, JB Hart, ayaw ditong magkaroon ng talo para dito sa ating liga. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa ating araw na ito. So as you can see on our screen, first quarter nagsisimula na between these two teams. Now, Aureliano aim for that first blood on their side, no good. Taugan secures that one. Long pass to his teammate. But the ball will remain on their side. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang unang puntos para sa unang quarter between these two teams? Again, we have to commend Taugan on the side of JB Hart for 2 consecutive best player of the game para dito sa ating liga. So wow, great factor on the side of JB Hart at very efficient player at maaasahan. And speaking of JB Hart, first point will go on their side. Ateneo Golden Knights. On the offense, no good.
Now it's the JB Hart ball possession. Perea with the ball. Driving. Now on the outside. Pushes to the inside. Now back to Perea. Now. No good on that triple. And here comes Mon Aureliano for that defensive rebound on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Almost losing the ball, but ayun na nga, natuluyan ng nakuha doon yung bola. No good on that shot by Taugan. And now Plaza for the Golden Knights. And what an assist for that first shot on the side of the Golden Knights. Hatid sa atin yan ng Mariano. Optical. Now let's see kung anong bawi naman or padagdag yung gagawin dito ng JB Hart.
The JB Hart has the chance to add their score here. Mendoza to Taugan. Releasing that 3 points. And it was successful on the side of JB Hart. And speaking of JB Hart, ano kaya ang update dito ng ating courtside reporter? Kyla, anong balita dyan? At masisecure ba dito ng JB Hart ang kanilang pangatlong panalo?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. Good afternoon, Oragons, and to all our basketball fans all around the world or watching us live via GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We are now on our first game for this Saturday game. Ako po, si Kyla Casulia at ako ang inyong makakasama on the side of the JB Hart. For the preparation for today's game against the Golden Knights, they're now ready to add a win to their team, having 2 wins and 0 loss. According to Coach Alex, they are now complete, and having complete players every game is an advantage to them. Mga bata man ang kalaban, pero Coach Alex insisted that they are ready to use their experiences as ahead of them. Handa na silang gamitin ang pagiging veterano sa laban na ito. Since Ateneo is a great team as well, Coach Alex reminds the team to always stick with their system and game plan. Huwag magpapadala sa pressure at laging magiging mindful sa loob ng court. Yan muna ang update sa side ng JB Hart. Balik sa inyo, Jasper Henry.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the JB Hart. And ayun nga, titingnan natin kung makakapag-stick ba sila doon sa kanilang game plan for this game. Now, a goaltending for the JB Hart. And it's their ball possession now. Mendoza loses that ball with Plaza. An easy basket for Plaza. Grabe. Converting a point from a steal. What a commendable effort for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And now substitutions with the same ball possession dito for the JB Hart.
Now, great start for both teams. Yun nga, nabanggit mo kanina yung magandang point conversion on the side of ADNU Golden Knights coming from Plaza. So let's see kung magpapatuloy ba ito on the side of their team. And what a great steal coming from Juan Arellano. Chance for them to overtake the lead. But turnover on their side, 7-6. So nabanggit nga dito ni Kyla on the side of JB Hart na kumpleto ngayon yung players ng kanilang team. So this is a great advantage for them to dominate this game. Pero hindi natin dito i-discredit itong Ateneo Golden Knights because we know the capabilities of this team and ready na nga dito sa kanyang report ang ating courtside reporter, Casey. Anong balita dyan?
Marhay na Aldao, Bicolandia. We are coming to you live at the NCF covered court for another thrilling showdown in the third week of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025. Brought to you by GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is your courtside reporter, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you the hottest on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And for our first game of the day is the Ateneo Golden Knights taking on the JB Hearts in a battle for dominance on the court. And speaking of dominance, I had the chance to talk to jersey number 23, Adrian Remoto of the Golden Knights, who shared his thoughts on their previous loss. He admitted that a lack of mental preparation played a big role in their setback. Kaya ngayon, yan ang kanilang pagtutuunan ng pansin as they take on the JB Hearts. He also emphasized that they're ready to match the physicality of their opponents, lalo na't he described them as veteran players. But will the Golden Knights rise to the challenge and secure their second victory? Yan ang ating aabangan as the game progresses. Kaya yan muna ang update sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Rick.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Ayun na nga, Rick, pati yung mga players nitong Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, veterano yung tingin dito sa mga players ng JB Hart. Kaya naman, mukhang pinag-igihan talaga nila yung preparation nila for this game. Now, let's take a look at this. Mon Aureliano on the outside. Well guarded here. Didiretso Mon Aureliano. Maraming bantay. Pero Mon Aureliano spins and did not get that basket. And now, mahigpit depensa from the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with Tauga. No good on that pull-up jumper.
Low scoring para dito sa nangangalahating oras ng ating first quarter for this both team. So it means grabe yung depensang pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan. And this time, JB Hart Mendoza on your screen for that last point conversion. Now Plaza naman ngayon ang may hawak ng ball on the side of the Golden Knights, and a traveling violation was called on the side of their team. 9-8. What a close first quarter for these both teams. Talagang kitang-kita dito yung preparations ng dalawang kupunan at talagang inaral nila yung bawat isa dito because we know nga itong kahit di pa masyadong hubog itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights unlike this JB Hart side. Pero marami na lang napatunayan itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights coming from different commercial league. Gaya ng BICOL na talaga namang pinakitaan tayo ng napakagandang basketball journey nitong ating ADNU Golden Knights. So let's see kung magagawan ba ng paraan dito ng Golden Knights na maitawid at maipanalo itong larong ito.
Now JB Hart's ball possession, but he's still coming from Fulgar of the Golden Knights. Mon Aureliano ngayon ang magtatawid ng bola. Now a steal coming from Mendoza. Nagmamadali, parang may pupuntahan. Dinukot pa nga sa kaliwa. What a shot for Mendoza of the JB Hart. Now 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for our first quarter. And it's the ADNU Naga Golden Knights. Now let's see. Fulgar. Well guarded Fulgar. Spins. No good on that shot. But a foul. Matatawagan dito ng foul. Jersey number 26 of the JB Hart. And a couple of substitutions here on the side of the Golden Knights and also on the side of the JB Hart.
They are making sure na talagang nababalasa dito yung players on the side of their team para magkaroon rin ng ibang execution at ibang game plan. Now, ADNU Golden Knights on the offense, they really need this one. Tripulka forcing that one. And it will remain on their side. 7 seconds to shoot. Now, to inbound, Tripulka. And a great steal again, Jasper on the side of JB Hart.
Diretso na. Wala
Yes.
nang pag-aalinlangan, Rek. After that steal, mas nakakapag-convert sila ng points from a steal kesa from an inbound. But let's see kung anong sagot naman yung gagawin dito ng ating ADNU Naga Golden Knights. Now, Mac Tripolka. Well-guarded Mac Tripolka. Now, jersey number 14. What a shot. Mid-range jumper was good on the side of the Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Now, Ken Taugan. No good on that triple. But a whistle. That was a pushing foul from jersey number 10 of the ADNU Naga Golden Knights, Abrasaldo.
Again, substitution on the side of Golden Knights. Making sure na magkakaroon sila ng magandang depensa dito na JB Hart. Aquino with the ball. Heavily guarded here, passing it to his teammate. Pero no good on that attempt. So ADNU Golden Knights ang may hawak ng ball possession. Jersey number 16. On the side of ADNU Beltran. Kitang-kita on that previous replay. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Beltran, napakaganda at makakakuha pa dito ng free throw at yung instant replay na yon ay galing sa Safe Gasoline.
Now, JB Hart, Soliman with the ball. Magtatawid dito ng bola. Soliman, well guarded by jersey number 16. Ayaw nang patawirin. Now, Soliman pa rin almost losing the ball. But here comes Taugan on the corner. With 10 seconds to shoot for the JB Hart. Ken Taugan, di diretso. No good on that shot. And here comes the Golden Knights. After that defensive rebound, Mac Tripolka. Almost losing that ball. Pero ayun na nga, natuluyan na dito yung ADNU Naga Golden Knights. Grabe. Ang lakas ng opensang nakikita natin on the side of the JB Hart. Now, let's see kung anong bawi naman yung gagawin dito ng ating ADNU Naga Golden Knights with Mac Tripolka to jersey number 14 on the outside. Now, jersey number 7 for 3. Now, good on that shot.
Alam mo, napakaganda dito ng mga steals nitong JB Hart. That leads them to a great point conversion. Yung nasabi mo nga dito, napakagandang opensa. Because again, ang likot dito ng depensang binibitawan nitong JB Hart. That's why itong ADNU, medyo hirap din ditong makakuha na ng lead para dito sa ating first quarter. As we can see, 17-13. Now, chance for them to add their score. Beltran fires for 3. No good. Pero jersey number 7, Madridano, on that second chance point.
Now, let's see kung anong gagawin naman dito ng JB Hart jersey number 8. Now to Soliman. Hands it to Relucio. Didiretso Relucio. But a rejection coming from jersey number 7, Ken Taugan for 3. And that's good. Nothing but the net trick. And that 3-pointer is brought to us by Gilmar CASA. Descansano. Napakagandang shot for the JB Hart. And now, Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. No good on that shot by jersey number 14, Monay.
So another opportunity on the side of JB Hart. Heavily guarded, Taugan with the ball. Last minute of this first quarter, 10 seconds to shoot. What a great steal coming from Tripulka. Handing it to Monay for 2. And it was good. 20-17 on our scoreboard. JB Hart, no good on that attempt. So Ateneo on the offense. And has the chance to lessen the gap or even tie this matchup. But a great steal. Ball will remain on the side of JB Hart. 23 seconds remaining for this first quarter. 22-17. What a game para dito sa ating unang quarter. Both teams are showing eagerness inside this hardcore. Talagang ayaw bumitaw. That's why kayang-kaya pa itong habulin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Wala pang nakakawalang mataas na score or mataas na lead para dito sa pag-uumpisa ng ating match.
And it's out of bounds as the Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights will take that ball possession. And now Mon Aureliano for that baseline inbound. Now jersey number 21 to Monay. Another mid-range jumper. And that was good on the side of the Golden Knights. And that's the end of our first quarter. 19-22. 3-point lead of the JB Hart. Let's take a look once again for our instant replays with that shot by Taugan. And this time, mid-jumper by Monay. Grabe, napakagandang laro yung natunghayan natin, Rek. For the first quarter, hindi rin talaga pumayag na makalayo itong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights dun sa tinuturing nilang veterans pagdating sa court. Napakagandang laro. And don't go away because we'll be right back after this short break only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second quarter. Again, you are tuning in sa Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup matchup between the ADNU Golden Knights versus the JB Hart. 22-19 ang ating naiwang score. Now, the ball possession will go on the side of the JB Hart. Relucio looking for his teammate. Passing it to the big man, Relucio again, pero no good.
Now, Golden Knights, Monay with the ball.
Or rather, pasok yun on the last sequence on the side of JB Hart.
Now, jersey number 21, well guarded here by Soliman. Now, jersey number 23 naman. On the outside, Relucio guarding him, very strict guard. No good on that shot by jersey number 23. And now, JB Hart, titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. Mendoza, nagdadala ng bola. Now, jersey number 0, titingnan natin, didiretso. But, the same ball possession for the JB Hart.
Now, foul was called on the side of the ADNU Golden Knights. Substitution on their side. Now, the ball possession still on the side of JB Hart. Another opportunity to widen the gap para sa pag-uumpisa ng ating second quarter. Again, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe and follow sa ating mga Facebook page, we have the Oragon Basketball League Facebook page, GNN TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Yun po yung mga Facebook pages natin para masaksihan natin ang magagandang aksyon dito sa OBL Elavil Cup. And to hear an update sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, what would be the adjustment on your side? Casey, anong balita dyan?
Well, Rick and Jasper, it is indeed every shot and every play counts sa dalawang kuponan na ito dahil walang gustong magpatalo. During their huddle, Coach Nuki quoted, "Gamitan nyo ng utak, wag puro bilis," emphasizing the need for smart playing on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman ngayon, abangan natin kung paano makakabawi ang Golden Knights for the first half of this game. Kaya yan muna sa ngayon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's see kung mag-imply ba itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights ng smart play na ayun na nga yung hinahanap dito ng kanilang head coach, Coach Nuki Sabio. And a quick shout out to our Facebook Live viewers via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. We have Raymond Monay, we have Mira Josh Manaog, Justin Calnuestro. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now, JB Hart's ball possession, Mendoza. Now to Soliman. Well guarded Soliman, double team Soliman, but no ground touch shot by Soliman. And now Mon Aureliano, Plaza.
Wow! Sayang yun on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Napakaganda sana ng connection. But let's hear an update on the side of JB Hart. Kyla, anong balita sa inyong kupunan?
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup. Git-gitan nga ang laban. Palitan ng scores ang bawat team and the game is getting more intense. Coaches reminds them na maging all out sa bawat galaw na gagawin nila inside the court. They are reminded na paganahin ang presence of mind inside the court. We can see the eagerness of the JB Hart to really get this game and add another win to their team. During the huddle, coaches reminds them with their lapses that they need to lessen this second quarter. They need a proper communication to avoid turnovers and to have a good ball rotation. They are reminded to use every advantage that they have for this game. Yan muna ang update sa side ng JB Hart. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you, Kyla, on that update from the side of the JB Hart. Ayun na nga, and 6-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating JB Hart. So let's see kung anong bawi yung gagawin dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with Mon Aureliano on the outside with 10 seconds to shoot. Now Mon Aureliano di diretso, walang mintis Mon Aureliano, hindi alintana yung malaking bantay, and that's good on the side of the Golden Knights.
What a great hustle para kay Mon, one of the key player on the side of ADNU. But an 8 seconds violation on the side of JB Hart. So this is a great chance on the side of the ADNU Golden Knights. Those errors na nagagawa dito ng JB Hart. So it's their ball possession. Sabi nga dito, every ball possession count. So talaga namang dapat pag-igihan dito ng ating ADNU Golden Knights because they're behind by 4 points. Now, jersey number 13 looking for his teammate, passing it to Beltran. Heavily guarded here with 7 seconds to shoot. Mid-range jumper, hindi uubra on the side of Golden Knights. Now, Taugan on that rebound, passing it to his teammate, back to him. Heavily guarded and fires for 3. Pero no good on that. Para dito kay Taugan. Now, back to ADNU Golden Knights ang ating bola.
Plaza ngayon magtatawid ng bola on the side of the Golden Knights. Now Mon Aureliano, back to Plaza. And now here comes jersey number 26, Di Diretso. But here comes jersey number 61 to save the ball and converting a point on the side of the Golden Knights, Domingo. Napakagandang performance. Well, kakapasok pa lang dito ni Domingo, pero ayun na nga, an early statement for Domingo. And now, Tauga naman with that assist coming from jersey number 1,
Now,
Barde.
Another steal. And Mendoza, libreng-libre on that fast break layup. Wow. JB Hart with that steal. Talagang napakadami na dito ng steals on the side of their team. Meanwhile, ADNU, they need a good offense. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart. Now, 29-23. Magkakaroon kaya dito ng puntos ang ADNU. Yan ang aabangan natin dito. Couple of substitution again. Arellano. Sideline inbound. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Fulgar. Trepulka. Muntik pang maagawan but a foul was called on Taugan para sa last sequence na yon. 14 to shoot on the side of the Golden Knights.
Now, Mon Aureliano for that sideline inbound. Jersey number 13, Fulgar, di diretso. But here comes Matt Tripulka, back to Fulgar. Another missed opportunity for the Golden Knights. And now, JB Hart. Jersey number 26, Mendoza. Well guarded by Plaza. Let's see. Matatawagan nga dyan ng foul. Plaza on the side of the Golden Knights, and 2 shots ang igagawa dito for Mendoza on the side of the JB Hart. And we're on the midway of our second quarter, 23-29. 6-point lead of the JB Hart. Let's see kung madadagdagan ba ni Mendoza ng dalawa. And no good on that first shot by Mendoza.
29-23. Now, JB Hart maintaining their lead here sa ating first half. 4 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Plaza, may hawak ng ball on the side of Golden Knights. Back to him. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart. Martinez. Pangalawang foul para sa quarter na ito. Para dito kay Martinez. Now, Arellano to inbound. Passing it to Domingo.
Now, Fulgar.
Muntik pang magawan dito. Fulgar. No good sa attempt na yon. JB Hart on the offense.
Now, JB Hart. Let's see. With 7-point lead. Now, Mendoza to Martinez. Now, Martinez di diretso. No good on that shot. And a defensive rebound here by Domingo. And now, Mon Aureliano on the outside with Fulgar. And now, the same ball possession pa rin tayo dito for the Golden Knights.
Trepulka passing it to Domingo. Again, good defense on the side of JB Hart. But Domingo getting 2 on that last play.
Now, Taugan for the JB Hart. Well guarded. Double team. Martinez almost losing the ball. But no good on that shot. Pero dun sa kanyang pangalawang attempt, may kasabay na yan na foul. Let's take a look once again for our instant replay. Hatid sa atin yan ng Safe Gasoline. Grabe. Napakagandang performance for both of these teams here in our second quarter of action.
But again, Itong JB Hart talagang ayaw padikitin dito itong ating Ateneo Golden Knights. So this is a big challenge on the side of Golden Knights kung paano dito kakaroon ng turnaround of events. 25-32. Still the lead is on the side of JB Hart. Tripulka to Plaza. Plaza fires for 3. No good. Taugan with that. Pero no good. Wasted opportunity. Meanwhile, Arellano getting a free throw opportunity on the side. And a timeout was called on the side of the JB Hart. And our timeout is brought to us by NOLCAST Construction and Supply.
And of course, Rick, pasalamatan natin ang ating major sponsors. We have the Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gasoline, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, MARQED Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV as Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bonnie and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, and MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Maraming salamat po for our major sponsors sa patuloy na pagsuporta. And we still have 3 minutes and 15 seconds for our first half. Let's see, with 7-point lead ng ating JB Hart, ano kayang mangyayari after this timeout called on the side of the JB Hart. And that's good for that first attempt by Mon Aureliano. And here comes Mon Aureliano for his second attempt. And a quick shout out to Joseph Quintana, Liar Baldosa, na nakatutok sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
Great steal coming from the Golden Knights squad, but sayang yun para kay Fulgar. Libreng-libre sana para sa layup na yon. Now, JB Hart on the offense at this moment, 32-27. 5 more points para maitabla on the side of Golden Knights, and another opportunity then. Taugan, no good. But a second chance point on the side of their team. On your screen, jersey number 5, Magalong.
Now, Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights, Fulgar, diretso Fulgar. No good on that shot, but here comes Ken Taugan for that defensive rebound. Pero matatawagan dito ng foul. Fulgar. Ayan, penalty situation na po itong dalawang teams natin. With 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining, kailangan nila ditong mag-ingat, doble ingat, since mahaba-haba pa yung oras na natitira for our first half. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Barde getting his first basket on his 2 free throws.
One more time for him. 35-27. +1 on the side of their team. Golden Knights ang may hawak ng basketball. Plaza passing it to Domingo, heavily guarded by Magalong. No good on that too.
Now JB Hart, Magalong, almost a block coming from Tripulka, but Magalong getting that 2 points.
Wow. And with that, mapapatawag dito ng timeout itong Ateneo Golden Knights. On your screen is our instant replay. Magalong. Wow, this JB Hart using their advantage as a veteran, and at the same time their physique talagang kitang-kita dito, very much activated pisikalan kung pisikalan for these both teams. So, ano ang gagawin dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights? As you can see on our snapshot here, the Golden Knights on their huddle, they really need to work hard para hindi lumayo ng lumayo dito yung kalamangang hawak on the side of JB Hart. So let's see after this timeout called by Coach Nuki kung magkakaroon na ng magandang outcome or magandang mga puntos itong sa ating Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Tripulka with a baseline inbound. Passing it to Monay. No room for error on the side of the Golden Knights. But another steal and another opportunity will be given on the side of JB Hart.
Now jersey number 12, Aquino rather. Now Barde to jersey number 14. What a shot on the side of the JB Hearts. Pereira. And here comes the Golden Knights on the offense. Tripolka. Alright, so we'll be having a review from our officials kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon sa last sequence na ayon dahil matatawagan dito ng pushing foul. Jersey number 8 of the JB Hart. So we'll see for our officials review kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon. Well, kitang-kita naman natin, Rick, na nahihirapan itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and medyo nakalayo-layo na rin yung ating JB Hart with that 13-point lead. And syempre, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating minor sponsors. We have the Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Super B, Cuts and Soul, KD Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads. And once again, a quick shout out here sa ating Facebook Live viewers. We have Joseph Quintana, Lear Baldoza, Kawai Paradero, Raymond Monay, Juvie Abante. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat.
So, foul was called on the side of JB Hart upon that review of our officials. Now, Monay on his second attempt and 2 basket on the side of the Golden Knights. Taugan ngayon, may hawak na ball on the side of JB. Heavily guarded here, but again, Taugan with that move. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart, jersey number 5. Magalong. And this time, Aquino din ang matatawagan ng foul on the side of JB Hart. So, penalty situation for both teams. They need to be careful with those errors. Now, Mon Arellano standing on that free throw line for an opportunity.
55 seconds remaining for our first half. 10-point lead ng ating JB Hart. Let's see if Mon Aureliano can get this second free throw to lessen their lead or the lead of the JB Hart. And that's good for Mon Aureliano on the side of the Golden Knights. And now JB Hart, tingnan natin, well guarded here by Monay Badre. Now, Barde rather. And now Soliman on the outside, fires for 3. Now good on that shot. And now jersey number 16, Tomon Aureliano. No good on that shot. Grabe. Another missed opportunity for the Golden Knights. But
Taugan is the name on your screen again. That's our 2-time best player of the game sa side ng JB Hart. So, porsyentong player para dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Ateneo, anong gagawing pagbawi dito? Mon Arellano, successful on that layup. Let's take a look one more time for our replay. Monay passing it to Mon with one-hand layup and it was good at mapapatawa nga dito ng timeout ang kupunan ng JB Hart because slowly but surely this Ateneo Golden Knight squad talagang nagkakaroon or binibuild dito yung kanilang momentum. So let's see after this timeout sa natitirang 13 seconds ng ating first half kung kanino mapupunta ang napakagandang momentum na dadalhin on our second half dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Again, thank you so much din po sa ating mga live viewers sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, sa mga malapit lang po sa ating venue. Sa mga gustong mapanood ng live itong Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Marami pa pong upuan dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para damang-dama natin yung basketball feel dito sa loob ng ating covered court. Now, Perea to inbound on the side of the JB Hart.
Now Barde with 10 seconds on the game clock. Barde, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng ating JB Hart. Barde, and now to Soliman, pull-up jumper, no good. And that's the end of our first half. 33-42, 9-point lead ng ating JB Hart. Diyan lamang po kayo. Don't go away. We'll be right back after a short commercial or short halftime break brought to you by MNL KINGPIN.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go. Una kang kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging natin bibig.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Una kang kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging natin bibig.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip. Kapatiran at respeto laging nating bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon. Una kang kami, handa sa laban.
Moraga, catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back here at the Naga College Foundation covered court for the second half of action. Bakbakan ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights and the JB Hart. And doon po sa nagdaang first half, 9-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng JB Hart. So let's see kung anong mangyayari or kung makakabawi ba ang ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights or magtutuloy-tuloy ang momentum ng ating JB Hart for our second half of action. And now on your screen is one of our sponsors, Crofy & Co. Patisserie Plus Cafe. Isa po yan sa ating mga sponsors for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
And they have a Facebook page, ang ating Crofy & Co. Patisserie Plus Cafe. So, hanapin nyo na lamang po to experience kung ano yung nasa kanilang shop. And thank you so much for their support para dito sa ating liga. Ayan, back to the ball game for our second half. And an early update on the side of JB Hart. Kyla, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Josper. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup at tuluyan na nga ang paglamang ng JB Hart after all the reminders of Coach Alex. Talaga namang ito'y kanilang sinunod para mapasa kanila ang advantage. During the huddle, Coach Alex reminds the team to always step up, lalo na pag nagkakamali ang kanilang teammate. Walang sisihan. Be patient at gamitin ang kanilang advantage for this game. They need to double their efforts so that they will be consistent on their play, especially on their offense and defense. No room for complacency, and they need to continue the good performance and always stay on their composure. Yan muna ang update for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side of the JB Hart. So as we can see, nakikita naman natin yung hustle, yung effort dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with foul coming from Soliman. Jersey number 7.
What would be the adjustment on the side of Golden Knights? Because napakinggan natin report coming from Kyla, JB Hart, kahit sila dito yung may kalamangan, talagang focus pa rin dito. Eyes on the prize, kumbaga, on the side of their team. And on the other side of things, Casey, anong balita on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights?
Rick and Jasper, we are now on the second half of this game and it looks like kailangang bawasan ng Golden Knights ang kanilang turnovers upang maiwasang makapuntos ang kalaban. They would also need to have a clear communication inside the court, lalo pat mahigpit ang depensa na ipinapakita ng JB Hearts. During their huddle, Coach Mark advised the team to use their screens for a much effective and swift gameplay. For this third quarter nga ay they are going for an aggressive defense upang makabawi sa kalamangan ng kalaban. But would that be enough for the Golden Knights upang makabawi ngayong third quarter? Yan ang ating abangan as the game progresses, kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side naman of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Plaza, now gonna the 3-point shot. And ayun na nga, nakikita naman natin, Rick, yung aggressiveness ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights dun sa unang arangkada ng ating third quarter for the second half of action. Napakagandang performance yung pinapakita nila. Double effort, double hustle yung ginagawa nila dito. So let's see kung paano nila to ipapagpatuloy and also kung paano nila to i-maintain, lalong-lalo na magandang play rin or magandang performance rin yung pinapakita sa atin ng JB Hart. Now let's see, since that was a turnover on the side of the JB Hart for the traveling violation, natin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Wow. Great start on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights, as we can see on our scoreboard, 44-38. Again, nabanggit ko ito kanina, slowly but surely, ADNU Golden Knights, dagdagan pa yan ng 2 puntos coming from Beltran. And with that, 4 na puntos na lamang ang kailangang trabahuhin on their side to finally cut the lead na hawak ng JB Hart. Now, JB Hart on the offense. They need a point conversion. Taugan, no good.
Now,
And
Tripolka on the side of the Golden Knights. Mon Aureliano naman. Almost an alley-oop play for Mon Aureliano and jersey number 17. Now, Mon Aureliano on the outside, on the corner. Now, Mac Tripolka. Di diretso, Mac Tripolka almost losing the ball. But Mon Aureliano! What a play! What an assist for Mac Tripolka. Hatid sa atin yan ng Mariano Optical. Grabe, napakagandang play ang nakita natin on the side of the Golden Knights. Grabe.
This is the comeback na hinihintay ng mga Ateneans, and another steal for them. Chance on their side to even this matchup. But great steal. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Tripolka position himself for the 3, no good.
Grabe. Nakikita natin dito yung double effort na kailangan gawin on the side of the Golden Knights. Makikita natin, Ricky, yung score. Grabe. Nagkaroon sila dito ng run. 2 puntos na lamang yung kailangan nilang habulin dito on the side of the JB Hart. So let's see kung matutuluyan ang mababawi ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights with Ken Taugan magtatawid dito ng bola for the JB Hart. Well guarded here by jersey number 23. And let's see, 26 rather, Ken Taugan naman! He missed opportunity, grabe.
But a foul was called on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Jersey number 13, Fulgar. And with that, Perea will be having 2 shots to add their score here at madagdagan dito yung paunti-unting hinahabol ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, on his first attempt, Perea. Basket. Talagang ayaw dito magpadikit ng JB Hart when it comes to our scoreboard. But this is good on the side of ADNU. Their effort to build a momentum, and Mon Arellano again, the go-to player on the side of ADNU Golden Knights, working hard for their team here and lessen the gap on the side of JB Hart. Let's take a look one more time for that replay. Grabe, tansyado ni Mon. Yung kanyang galaw on that last point conversion. 1 point lead ang hawak ng JB Hart. Magalong looking for his teammate. Heavily guarded here. Passing it to Aquino with 10 to shoot. Mid-range jumper, no good. Monay secures that rebound, and a foul was called on the side of the JB Hart. Aquino.
Grabe. 1 puntos na lang yung hinahabol dito ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. We'll see kung patuloy na nga tayong magkakaroon dito ng change of favor for our third quarter. 5 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. And now, jersey number 7, Di Diretso Fulgar. No good on that shot. And now, jersey number 14 for that defensive rebound. Ken Taugan, Di Diretso. What a play for Ken Taugan. But a missed opportunity dahil double team siya doon. And it's the ball possession of the Golden Knights now. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Monay to Valle. Now back to Monay. Fires for 3. And that's good.
Ayan
Grabe. Ayun na, Rick, yung change of favor na hinahanap natin for the second half. Napakalaking lead from the first half, and ngayon, lamang na po ng 2 puntos ang ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights.
What an effort. Pero Taugan on his own version of 3, no good. Offensive rebound. But the ball will remain on the side of JB Hart. Napakagandang trabaho ang ginawa dito ng ADNU Golden Knights para mapasa kanila na ang kalamangan for our third quarter. Now, 47-45 in favor of the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. And a quick shout out to our live viewers. Shout out dito kay Joseph Quintana, Lear Baldoza, kay Wewel Yorin, at kay Christine Reyes. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now JB Hart with 15 seconds on the shot clock. Rempilio, didiretso ngayon dito, but a rejection coming from jersey number 7. Magkamatch doon yung laki nila, Madridano and Rempilio, but Mendoza fighting for 3. Nothing but the net on the side of the JB Hart. Napakagandang play. 49-48 ang ating score. Mona Aureliano, now on that 3-pointer. And now Aquino.
Dire-diretso pero no good. But a foul was called on the side of the ADNU Golden Knights. On your screen, matatawagan ng foul. Jersey number 13 sa Ateneo Golden Knights. We have Fulgar and now Aquino on the free throw shots. Basket, deadlock at 49. Wow, an intense basketball action ang natutunghayan natin dito. And mind you guys, this is just our first match. Marami pa pong aabangan dito sa Saturday match na ito. Now, Ateneo Golden Knights on the offense. Monay passing it to Valle. Taking their time here. And ball possession will go on the side of JB Hart. Sayang yon on the side of Golden Knights. Meanwhile, JB Hart has the chance again to strengthen their lead here.
Now
Aquino.
3 minutes remaining for the third quarter. Mendoza well guarded here by Monay. And now Mac Tripolka with a steal. Now jersey number 26. What a shot. What a layup for jersey number 26 of the Golden Knights. Valle. And now Aquino well guarded by Fulgar for the JB Hart. Now mid-range jumper, no good on that shot. Mac Tripolka again for that defensive rebound. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Fulgar. Diretso Fulgar. But Rempilio is there to block his pathway. But a 3-point play opportunity here for Taugan. Let's take a look once again, Rick. Matatawagan nga dyan ng foul. Mac Tripolka. What a play. 3-point play opportunity here for Ken Taugan on the side of the JB Hart with 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. Lamang na po ulit dito ang ating JB Hart. 2-point lead. Let's see kung anong bawi ang gagawin dito ng Golden Knights.
Domingo to inbound, passing it to his teammate Monay. Heavily guarded here, and now Tripolka with 15 to shoot. Passing it to Monay for 3, no good. Offensive rebound. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart. 2 shots para dito kay jersey number 21. Bongala. Or rather, the ball will stay on their side. Abrasaldo passing it to Bongala, and now Domingo. Heavily guarded here. No good. The ball will remain on the side of Ateneo, but a challenge was called on the side of JB Hart. Tignan natin kung kanino talaga yung ating ball possession. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining for this third quarter.
And of course, Rick, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. Our minor sponsors, we have here the AET ads Taylor Swift, Laod Siruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lemon Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nisi Rafa Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Barely There Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, Nigzi Shop, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mary's Coffee, Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetics Wellness and Beauty Center Naga. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta for our Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And of course, our major sponsors, Elavil Tours Philippines Incorporated, Safe Gas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company, MNL KINGPIN, MARIANO Optical, Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga Travel and Tours, Tigers Cafe, Bonnie and Piggy Distributors, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, and MACHICHU Boneless Fried Chicken. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And that head coach's challenge was unsuccessful dahil last touch dyan si jersey number 14 Perea of the JB Hearts. And now Mac Tripolka for 3, no good.
Now JB Hart on the offense. Aquino. And guarded here by Abrasaldo. 15 to shoot, forcing that one, pero no good. Domingo secures that one on their side. Passing it to Tripolka. And a turnover on the side of Ateneo. Crucial turnover. Because again, sila ulit dito yung naghahabol para sa ating para din sa ating pangatlong quarter. A minute and 18 seconds remaining.
And a quick shout out here for our Facebook Live viewers. We have Romel Orbon Quintana, Edmund Orbon, and Jimwell Florida, Ryan Floriano. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now, Golden Knights. Mac Tripolka on the outside with Domingo. Well guarded Domingo. Attempting to spin, but in and out ball for Domingo on the side of the Golden Knights with 52 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Let's see. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Jersey number 14, Monay on the side of the Golden Knights. 2 points lang yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating Golden Knights.
Mendoza to inbound. Passing it to Aquino. And out to Ugan, heavily guarded by Tripolka. Passing it to his teammate. And mid-range jumper was good on your screen. Ang nagkaroon ng magandang conversion. Now, Ateneo, ano ang magiging sagot doon sa naging conversion on the side of JB Hart? No good on that 3-point attempt. Back to JB Hearts ang basketball. Perea. Passing it to Taugan. Last 10 seconds of our third quarter. Mendoza. To Rimolio. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter. 55-51 is our score. We'll be right back for our fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Basketball League, Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
And we are back here sa ating first match for our fourth and final quarter. This is the final stretch for both teams. Kanino kaya mapupunta ang napakagandang panalo between these two teams? Because we cannot tell, but basket count on that last play para dito kay Mendoza at samahan pa yun ng foul. So, napakaagang point conversion para dito sa ating fourth quarter on the side of JB Hart. An attempt for him to add their score. And the three-point play opportunity was good para dito kay Mendoza. ADNU on the offense. Arellano looking for his teammate. Passing it to Valle. Beltran with that two.
And now JB Hart. A block rejection coming from jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights. Valle. Naga on the 3 points or 3-point attempt by jersey number 16 Beltran. And the JB Hart Relucio. Jersey number 11 for 3. Naga on that shot. And out of bounds as the Golden Knights will take that ball possession. 53-58. 5-point lead ng ating JB Hart for the fourth and final quarter. Now let's see Plaza to Mon Aureliano on the outside. And napalakas doon yung pasa ni Mon Aureliano, resulting to out of bounds as the JB Hart will take that ball possession.
Now JB Hart. Mendoza heavily guarded by Plaza here. Mendoza to Barde. Chance for them to add their score and to hear an update sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Let's call our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, kumusta? Anong balita dyan?
Rick and Jasper, it is evident na bumabawi ang Golden Knights after losing the first half. They are indeed going aggressive against the JB Hearts, almost closing the gap on the scoreboard. We can really see their eagerness to win this game, kaya naman kailangan na lamang nilang ipagpatuloy o kaya naman ay higitan pa ang magandang performance na kanilang ipinapakita, lalo na't this is their last chance to prove themselves on this game. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Nakikita naman natin, Rick, yung pagbawing ginawa nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. So let's see kung magkakaroon ulit ng change of favor dito sa ating fourth and final quarter with 7 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. Ayan, at matatawagan dito ng warning for unsportsmanlike behavior. Jersey number 8 Barde of the JB Hart. Now, let's hear an update naman on the side of the JB Hart. Nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Kyla to give us an update. Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Jasper. We are now on the fourth quarter of this match-up. Nahirapan man during the third quarter at nagkaroon ng mga turnovers. Kaagad naman nila itong binawi para hindi mawala sa kanila ang advantage. And they are ready na mas makabawi for this fourth quarter. Since this is a crucial game and this is the last quarter, they need to double their effort dahil talaga namang pinipressure sila ng kalaban. Rebound kung rebound and backs out kung backs out. Doble trabaho pa para maipanalo ang laban na ito. Before the start of the last quarter, Coach Alex reminds them na wag magiging complacent. Ibalik ang sigla at magandang performance na pinakita during the first half, and they need to be all out for the last quarter of this game. Yan muna ang update sa side ng JB Hart. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Kyla, on that update from the side naman of the JB Hart. And ayun nga, kailangan na itong maging determinado nitong ating JB Hart to secure their third win. Napakagandang record nitong ating JB Hart for our OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. And now, what an assist from Relucio to Barde of the JB Hart. Napakagandang play naman yung pinapakita nila ngayon. Now, Mon Aureliano to Plaza. Now, Mac Tripulca for 3. Naga on that 3-pointer, but a foul coming from jersey number 11, Relucio of the JB Hart, with 6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Gitgitan yung laban natin. Hindi rin masyadong nakakalayo itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with that 5-point lead of the JB Hart. Now, jersey number 7, Golden Knights, Plaza. Now, Mon Aureliano. Back to Plaza for 3. No good on that shot, but Plaza again. Here comes Ken Taugan. Grabe, gigil na gigil. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Mon Aureliano on the side of the Golden Knights. 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining.
Now, Barre to inbound. But the ball will remain on their side. Barde again. Passing it to his teammate. And now Soleman losing that one. And a great steal coming from ADNU and Mac Tripulca, scoring that one in on the side of their team. 62-59 is our score. Back-to-back steal on the side of Golden Knights. Chance for them to add their score. And the ball will stay on the side of their team. Wow. Talagang
Grabe.
mararamdaman mo na dito, Jasper, yung
Yes, Rick.
intensity ng laro because this is the final quarter for both teams. So talagang gigil na dito yung dalawang kupunan na mapasa kanila yung magandang momentum up until the last seconds of this match.
Kitang-kita naman natin, Rick, yung effort nitong dalawang teams na ito. Parehas gutom na gutom sa panalo. Mon Aureliano trying to deadlock this fourth and final quarter. Now, Ken Taugan naman for the JB Hart. Barde. On the outside, Barde for the JB Hart. Now, Ken Taugan. Now, Naga on that 3-point shot. And here comes jersey number 7 to secure that defensive rebound. Plaza. A backcourt violation. A very crucial error for the Golden Knights. Backcourt violation by Mon Aureliano. Grabe. This was very crucial, Rick, since 3 puntos na lang yung hinahabol nila dito for our fourth
Yes.
and final quarter. 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining.
Now JB Hart with the ball possession. 13 or rather 10 to shoot. Barde heavily guarded by Monay. 5 seconds remaining on our shot clock.
But another chance for the JB Hart as the ball hits the rim. And another 14 seconds for them. And
Yes.
doon na bumawi yung ating JB Hart. Grabe.
Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng ating JB Hart.
Extending their lead to 5 points, Rick, ha?
Now, Golden Knights with the basketball. Madridano fires for 3, no good. JB Hart ngayon ang may hawak ng bola. Another opportunity on their side to add their score. Barde. Passing it to Perea. And Perea successful on that layup. Another 2 points was added on their side. So back-to-back conversion ang nangyari on the side of this JB Hart side. Meanwhile, Ateneo medyo nahihirapan when it comes to their offense.
4 minutes and 5 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. But a backcourt violation naman dito for the JB Hart and a timeout called on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights courtesy of Coach Nuki Sabio. So we'll see kung ano yung adjustments na gagawin nila, and that timeout is brought to us by NOLCAST Construction and Supply for our fourth quarter. Napakagandang performance yung nakikita natin, Rek, for both of these teams, pero kailangang gumawa dito ng paraan itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights kung paano nila mababawi yung 7 points na yan kontra dito sa JB Hart, since medyo konti na lang rin, Rick, yung oras natin for the fourth and final quarter. 3 minutes and 59 seconds remaining. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustments, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang opensa, dahil maganda naman yung mga opportunities na napupunta for the Golden Knights, pero ayun na nga lang ay hindi nila yun masyadong na gagamit ng maayos, or nakakapag-take advantage sila doon. So let's see dito sa timeout na tinawag nila dito.
Medyo kapos nga dito sa opensa itong Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero I'm sure babawi ito after this timeout. Meron pa tayong 4 na minuto para pagtrabahuhan on their side. And on the side naman ng JB Hart, consistency lamang and no room for complacency if they want to get their third win dito sa ating liga.
Now, JB Hart, Kenta Ugan. Let's see. Didiretso ngayon Kenta Ugan, but that was an offensive foul from Kenta Ugan. That was his third foul for this game. And now Golden Knights with Mac Tripolka for that baseline inbound. And now Monay magtatawid ngayon ng bola for the Golden Knights. Let's take a look sa mga plays na inihanda sa atin ng Golden Knights for the fourth and final quarter. And turnover here for the JB Hart. Napakagandang performance yung natunghayan natin, Rek, for the first game this Saturday. Ayan, quadruple header action tayo ngayon, Rek. Ngayong Sabado, top tier basketball actions ang mapapanood natin only here on Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Natin sa atin yan, syempre, ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon ng Mendoza. On the outside, let's see, JB Hart, Kenta Ugan, almost losing that ball. And a timeout called on the side of the JB Hart. Grabe, napako na yung dalawang score natin, 59-66. Almost a minute. Ayan na, medyo walang galawan yung puntos natin, Rick, for the fourth and final quarter. Let's see kung anong gagawing adjustments naman dito ng ating JB Hart. Well, grabe, napaka-crucial nitong larong ito for the JB Hart, since napakaganda ng record nila, Rick, for our OBL Elavil Cup Season 1. 2 wins and no losses. Will the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, sila na ba yung magtatantos sa unang talo ng JB Hart? Kung papayag, Rick, yung ating JB Hart, no? But the Golden Knights, 1 win and 1 loss, will they get their second win kontra dito sa JB Hart, or their second loss?
If that happens, parehas ng standing ng dalawang kupunan, 2 wins and 1 loss. And the ball possession will go on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, 3 minutes and 4 seconds. So nalalapit na tayo dito sa pagtatapos ng ating laro. So kanino kaya mapupunta ang panalo? It's either on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights or the side of JB Hart. Kaya tutok lamang po tayo sa ating live coverage para masaksihan natin kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito.
Ayan, and a quick shoutout here to Joseph Quintana, Lear Baldoza, Juni Quintana, and Frank Quintana. Also to Precious Alana, Paulo Deveza, and Pitch Alipante. Happy viewing po sa lahat ng ating viewers via Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. And now, 2 points for the Golden Knights, cutting down the lead of the JB Hart to 5 points. Now, JB Hart on the offense. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 free throws after that foul committed by jersey number 7, Madridano. Now let's see. With Perea standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. No good on that first attempt by Perea. 5-point lead ang hawak ngayon dito ng JB Hart. Let's see kung ma-extend ba nila yan sa 6 points. Now Perea once again. Basket count for Perea on his second attempt. And now Monay on the side of the Golden Knights with 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Now Monay to Mac Tripolka. Didiretso naman ngayon Mac Tripolka. Walang bantay Mac Tripolka. Still, but this time 4-point lead na lamang yung hawak dito ng JB Hart. 4 na puntos sa loob ng 2 minuto. Let's see kung kakayanin bang makabawi nitong ating Golden Knights. But as we can see, Aquino, mukhang sabi niya sa mga teammates niya, magdahan-dahan tayo since konti na lang yung oras. But Taugan for that mid-range jumper.
Pasok pa din on the side of JB Hart. Let's take a look one more time for our instant replay. Anong dahan-dahan daw sabi dito ni Taugan on the side of their team. Another point for him. And a foul was called on the side of JB Hart courtesy of Taugan. And now, Arellano stepping on that free throw line for an opportunity to lessen the gap here. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Ano pa kaya ang mangyayari dito sa dalawang kupunan with this remaining time of the game? 2 straight points. It means 4 ang kalamangan dito ng JB Hart. Now, if you're on the side of JB Hart, you need to make sure na makakakuha ka pa ng magandang ball possession. And if you're on the side of Ateneo, good defense. Yan ang kailangan ngayong gawin ng kanilang kupunan. And
held ball situation. Grabe. Let's see kung kanino mapupunta yung bola. And as we can see, let's see. Since a player of the Golden Knights is down after that held ball situation, but I think he can still play for the Golden Knights. Mukhang cramps yung nangyayari dito sa Golden Knights. 1 minute and 23 seconds remaining for the 4th and final quarter. 4 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng Golden Knights. Kakayanin ba?
Yan ang malaking question dito.
For sure, Rick, yung mga live audiences natin nakahawak na sa kanilang inuupuan sa higpit ng laban.
Yes. 4 more points. Let's see kung makakaya pa ba dito ng Ateneo. Let's wait. 10 to shoot. Ball will remain on their side. At magtatawag pa nga ng timeout dito ang side ng ADNU Golden Knights to make sure na maganda ang magiging game plan dito sa natitirang 1 minuto at 6 na segundo ng ating laro. Wow! What a game! Unang match pa lamang po ito dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. May 3 matches pang aabangan. And on our second match, we have the USA Falcons versus the ACLC Think Pro. Another match to watch para dito sa ating OBL Elavil Cup. Back to the bull game. Ngayon, dito sa natitirang oras natin, kanino mapupunta ang larong ito? Still, Ateneo on the offense. Aureliano to inbound. 8 seconds to shoot. They need this point. Now, Aureliano. Kanino ibibigay? Passing it to Madridano with 5 seconds to shoot. Plaza. No good on that attempt. Very crucial on the side of the Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Perea successful on that first attempt. One more time for him to make sure na sa kanila mapupunta itong ating larong ito. Let's see. But no good. Now a chance for the Ateneo Golden Knights here to score. 52 seconds remaining. Aureliano. No good. JB Hart ang may hawak ng bola. Perea. Mendoza heavily guarded by Plaza. Passing it to Aquino. 10 seconds on the shot clock and 30 seconds on the game clock. Ateneo stealing that one, but Plaza andon, passing it to his teammate, and Madridano gets that one in, and a timeout was called on the side of JB Hart. Kitang-kita sa ating replay, Jasper, yung ginawa dito ni Madridano.
Now, 14 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Grabe, this is very crucial for the Golden Knights. Kaya ba na magkaroon tayo rek ng overtime for our first game this Saturday? Dahil hindi malabo na magkaroon tayo ng overtime. Isang tres lang ang kailangan gawin dito ng Golden Knights. At magkakaroon tayo rek ng 5 minutes overtime match. Or will the JB Hart secure their third win this season? Napakagandang laban.
Yes.
Yung natunghayan natin. Kita naman natin, Rick, yung eagerness ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights na makabawi for our fourth and final quarter.
14 seconds para sa match na to. JB Hart to inbound. Perea passing it to Aquino. 10 seconds. Foul was called.
Matatawagan dito ng foul on the side of the Golden Knights. 9 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. 2 free throws pang igagawad dito on the side of the JB Hart. And that extend their lead to 4 big points for our fourth and final quarter with 9 seconds remaining. Barde, let's take a look if he can still get this second free throw. No good on that shot. Now Plaza. Grabe. Plaza makakakuha pa dyan, Rick, ng 2 points on the side of the Golden Knights.
Yes, never say die on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. And a timeout was called on the side of JB Hart. Yes, Jasper?
2 points na lang yung hinahabol nila dito, Rick. But the time is very limited. 4 seconds remaining.
Yes.
Will the Golden Knights get this overtime match? Or yung panalo? Dahil pag nakagawa dito ng 3 yung ating Golden Knights, panalo sila dito, Rick. But if the JB Hart secures their point here, grabe. Let's see.
Two seconds. Wow. What a game for these both teams. JB Hart on the offense. Mendoza to inbound. Looking for his teammate. Passing it to Aquino.
Grabe. A second remaining for the fourth and final quarter. And 2 free throws pa ang igagawa dito kay Aquino on the side of the JB Hart. Let's take a look. So we'll be having a review, Rick. Officials review dun sa...
And a very crucial review. So kanino kaya mapupunta ang ating ball possession? 1 second. Grabe, walang pinapalagpas na oras itong dalawang kupunan. (71-69), 2-point lead on the side of JB Hart, and Ateneo still seeking for this game na magkaroon pa ng overtime. Let's see, Jasper. Ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga loyal viewers. Shoutout kay Karen K. Escaro, kay Aljan Pogoy, kay Carla May Calleja, Rochelle Antonio, kay Gab Janicio, at kay Cyber Rosales. Thank you so much and happy watching.
And also to Joseph Quintana, Lear Baldoza, Juni Quintana, and Frank Quintana. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayun at ang, yung ano pala, Rick, dito, yung ating review is on the game clock. Hindi dun sa ball possession dahil sure na yung ball possession natin dun
on the side of JB Hart.
Sa JB Hart. And ayun na nga, 2 free throws pa yung makukuha dito ni Aquino. And our official or final official time is 1 second and 57 milliseconds. So yun yung ating time remaining for the fourth and final quarter with Aquino standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. So let's see.
And napakalinis on that first attempt. One more time for him to make a 4-point deficit. Now, Aquino, no good on that one. And that's the end of our game. 72-69 is our final score. Congratulations sa JB Hart on winning their 3 wins dito sa ating liga, and congratulations then on the side of ADNU Golden Knights for giving us a good fight. Marami pang dapat abangan dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, so don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming butit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming butit.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Kampehan ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon.
And there you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Burger in a Box. And together with me is our best player of the game wearing jersey number 26, Dexter Mendoza, producing 18 points, 2 rebounds, 3 steals, and 1 assist. So congratulations, sir, on your big win. Pangatlong panalo na dito ng JB Hart. So ano po yung nararamdaman nyo knowing na ikaw yung naging best player of the game at natulungan mong magkaroon ng clean record itong ating JB Hart?
Unang-una, nagkapasalamat ako kay Lord sa pangatlong panalo namin, and ano lang, kasi nanalo kami dahil sa effort namin, sa depensa namin. Tulungan kami hanggang matapos yung oras kasi gusto namin manalo para yung mga boss namin nanonood, and para sunod-sunod yung panalo namin at umakyat kami sa top.
So yun, ano pa po yung aabangan naming mga preparations ng JB Hart, because knowing na ang mga susunod na makakalaban ng JB Hart, it's isa sa mga pinakamalalakas din dito sa ating liga.
Ano pa, kailangan pa namin ng dagdag effort sa depensa para makuha pa namin yung pang-apat na panalo at masunod-sunod pa. Kasi kulang pa kami sa preparation na kasi ngayon na darating na laro, malakas din yung mga kalaban namin
Ayan po, and lastly, ito po yung oras nyo para mag-shoutout sa mga supporters ng JB Hart, and of course kung sino pang gusto mong i-shoutout.
Una, binabati ko yung asawa ko na si Rosette Agawin, mga pamilya ko sa Kanaaman, mga tropa ko sa Kanaaman sa Santa Cruz, mga Team Capitol, maglalaro mamayang iba. Yan lang po, salamat.
Ayan, again, our best player of the game coming from the JB Hart, jersey number 26, Mendoza.
Kampehan ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon, kampehan ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kampehan ang Oragon.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nakilala na nga natin ang ating best player of the game wearing Bounce Academy t-shirt. And of course, brought to us by Burgbox. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok for our first game this Saturday. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil may susunod pa po tayong laban. And it's the USI Falcons versus the ACLC Think Pro Hawks. Maraming salamat din po sa ating courtside girlies na nakasama. On the side, we have Casey and Kyla. Maraming salamat po. Once again, I am Jasper Abante.
And I am Rick Puerta. For more basketball action, just tune in on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, Morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon!